With WooCredit Pro, you can let your customers bypass the WooCommerce checkout and instantly redeem their credits with immediate access to any landing page you choose. You can set this up in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a product type and set the normal price. In this example, we will stick with a simple product and set a price your customers would pay if there wasn't a credit value. Step 2. Check the credit purchase option. Step 3. Select instant credit purchase. You will notice some extra optional values. Credit confirm URL. This is where the customer will be taken to immediately after they hit the button. Credit button text. Here you can customize a call to action text on the credit button. Remove add to cart. If this is checked, the add to cart button will be hidden, and the only way for your customer to get access to the product is to hit the use credit button. Once you have set and changed the settings to your needs, you can hit save. Your product is now ready to use for instant credit purchases. Get WooCredit Pro now at fastflow.io/FWC Pro.